Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set password on Windows. Let's get started. First, open your computer's settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear icon, or just pressing Windows+I on your keyboard. Next, click on Accounts, and then on the left-hand side choose Sign In Options. Here, you'll see several ways to sign in, like PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition. But for now, we'll focus on the password section. Click on Add, and then create a strong password, something that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Confirm your password, hit Next, and then click Finish. And that's it. You've successfully added a password to your Windows account. Now, whenever you start your computer or lock your screen, Windows will ask for your password before you can log in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.